Hi everyone, this is the lesson for the Outsiders chapter 4 to 6. We'll be focusing on our ATL skill, which is make inferences and draw conclusions. You will need to have this document in front of you, your student document, so that you can respond on your document while you watch the video. Remember that making an inference means you're making an educated guess. And when you draw a conclusion, you make a judgment or decision based on multiple inferences. And there's many reasons why this is an important skill. Let's look at part 2, making inferences. View the available information. Look for any facts or details that are not stated but inferred. Analyze the information that is what is the author arguing or saying. For drawing conclusions, you write your final thoughts on the topic based on multiple inferences. Part 3, make inferences and draw conclusions practice. We did this in the last lesson, so I'm just going to review some of it for you. Remember that you're going to start with reading the passage, then you make an inference. In this case, there's 3 passages, and you make an inference for each of the passages. Once you finish this step, then you're going to come over to draw a conclusion. And it will say, I can conclude that the conflict is, and you'll come down to this box, and it will say internal or external. And then you will say, if it's external, you'll say which one of these it is. In this case, after reading these passages and drawing these inferences, it says I can conclude that the conflict is external. Because it has to do with weather, it would be man versus nature. Because the blizzard is causing the city to have problems with traveling. This part you need to make sure when you're supporting your conclusion that you're getting some text details from the passages and inferences. The last part of the lesson is you are going to do a practice activity on your own. Again, you're going to start with reading the passage. After you read this first passage, you'll come over here and complete this sentence. I can infer that Ponyboy thinks that dairy blank. Next, you'll come down to the next passage. You'll read the passage. You will complete this sentence frame to make your inference. And then you'll read the third passage and complete this sentence frame to make your inference. When those 3 are done, you're ready to draw a conclusion. So you will complete this sentence frame. I can conclude that the conflict is. You will write either internal or external. And then if it's external, be sure to write what type of external it is. Because, and this is where you put your supporting evidence that supports your conclusion. You will need to include some details from the passages and inferences. Good luck!